Hello there. Today's recipe is definitely not for the milk avoidant, but if you're okay with it, then stick around because I'm going to make homemade paneer. And then with that paneer, I'm going to make a spinach and paneer curry, but that's for tomorrow. So let's crack on with cheese. We're simply curdling hot milk at around 80 degrees Celsius with an acid. A couple of tablespoons per litre or gallon usually gets the job done. And all you do is add the vinegar bit by bit until curds start to form. Side note, I was today years old when I figured out that curds and curdle come from the same word. You're welcome. And now back to our regular programming, where we're waiting for the whey to become clear. And the moment it does, you stop. If you keep adding more acid, your cheese will end up rubbery and sour, and nobody wants sour rubbery cheese, right? And there. That's it. Done. The next step you can do a couple of ways. You could just let this sit for 10 minutes in the liquid, or you could strain it off immediately through some muslin and let it strain. Once it's sat there for, again, about 10 minutes, you gingerly pick it up because it's probably still really, really hot. And then you just give it a bit of a squeeze. Now, you don't want to squeeze it too much, just lightly. If you remove too much water from the paneer, it'll end up dry and crumbly, which is what you don't want. After that, you just put it on a plate and put a weight on top of it. You just leave that there for about 15 or 20 minutes and that's it. And once you've let it rest for a while, just mosey on back and carefully unwrap it. Hopefully it's absolutely spot on. Let's have a squiz. Oh yeah, look at that. Bloody ripper. So what I've done here is put it on some paper towel because I want to dry it out really, really well. If I wanted to keep it, I would keep it wet in the fridge. It will keep for at least 2 or 3 days, but I'm going to use it right now. So my main goal after I've cubed it up. Actually, hang on, let's just watch this. I mean, this took what? However long it takes to heat up some milk, plus 15 or 20 minutes. I mean, look at that. Absolutely perfect paneer cheese. Well, it's almost perfect because as beautiful as it is right now, it's no use to me wet because I'm going to deep fry it and make it even more beautiful. But that's for tomorrow, for the curry. So I'll see you there then. Bye.